Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher and I have to teach class 6 to 8th student only English. So today I will tell you the importance of English. Nowadays, English is a, you know that English is a worldwide language. All of you know that those people who are watching this video clip on at the moment, I humbly request to all of you that please listen to me carefully. Today, I will tell you the importance of English. You know that English is a worldwide language, and without speaking English, neither I nor you nor anyone can get success in their life. So, guys, if you want to get success, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, neither I nor you nor anyone can get success. Got it, my friend? Yes, you got it. So, suppose that you have to urgent work any abroad country, foreign country, and you have if you will go to any specific work to abroad then and you know only only your native language. It may be Urdu, Farsi, Bengali, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Chhattisgarhi, anything, and you don't know any single words of English. So how could survive in your conversation to stranger person? So guys, if you want to get success in your life, then please do hard work. Without hard work, neither I nor you nor anyone can get success in your life. So guys, I would like to say that if you want to get success, then please do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, nobody could get success or nobody can get success. Nor neither nobody would have get success. Guys, without doing further delay, I would like to tell my I am going to tell you my childhood story. In my childhood, I was not good in studies. I always played with dirty children. I always played with dirty children because my mother and father, means my parents, were very illiterate. They never ever went to a school any single day of in school. So because of this, they never they don't know any importance of education. Guys, in my childhood I was very poor. I remember that from class 1st to 12th I used to survive in just pant and shorts. And I also remember that whenever I got rupees 10 from my parents, I used to be very happy. So guys, if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of hard work. And I also remember that whenever I got rupees from my parents, I used to be very happy. That's it. So guys, if you that's it. And it was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the afternoon in the backyard of my house. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambigapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai. He was admitted there for about 8 to 10 days, but there was no improvement in his condition. Even though to tell I will to tell to be honest, to tell you the truth, in those days we were very poor. We have not enough money for his further treatment. Because of this lack of money, lack of literacy literacy guys, I will tell you one more thing. Being poor is not a sin, but living in poverty is a sin. Being poor, I repeat again, Being poor is not a sin, but being being in poverty is a sin. Means गरीब होना पाप नहीं बल्कि गरीबी में जीना पाप है. So guys, if you like my video clip, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye. Namaskar.